Everyone keeps saying location, location, location first when it comes to property investment. But what if I told you that this paradigm has changed, at least in Dubai? What we see within the past years is that high quality and well-designed buildings in secondary areas are performing better and making more money for their investors rather than average quality buildings in the prime areas. This video is going to be a short introduction to a developer which is not loudly spoken about on the market, and today I'm going to fill up this gap. Today we're visiting IMAN office. Let's go. Diana, tell us about the company, the story behind IMAN. When was it founded? Who is the founder?
Yes, indeed. So the CEO is Mr. Ismail Marfani. The company was founded in 2016. And
you're not completely new on the market, aren't you? So it's been like 12 years.
It's been 12 years almost, and first project was delivered in 2018. So the company expanded very quick under the direction of Mr. Ismail Marfani, and it was very successful in very short time.
Where is he from? What's the origin?
So originally from Pakistan.
We have a lot of very well-established Pakistani companies, and
exactly. So he is very successful back in his country also. He's an entrepreneuriat and businessman.
I think they had a family business, right?
Exactly.
Something connected to textile.
So due to these activities and entrepreneuriat, he was becoming very successful also in UAE.
UAE is the country of opportunities.
Exactly.
So if even he didn't have a developer background before, as far as I know, he was coming from a different type of business.
Indeed.
Yeah, but however, he took the courage to establish a very difficult business development.
Far away
business,
from
right?
his country, exactly.
Right. We are now in the show apartments of one of your projects, right?
Exactly.
Tell us a little bit about this project and where it is.
As you can notice, the apartment, it's really made with thoughtful design, quality design. The finishes are amazing. This project's name is Sierra, and it's located in Motor City.
Motor City is Motor City got a new life, let's say, a new breath, right? Exactly. Fresh breath nowadays, so within the past years.
I would say that Motor City, basically, it's established area.
Established community.
Yeah, established community, but still there are a lot of things going on. So we are expecting also metro in the future, like 2-3 years maybe.
It was abandoned for a while because there was so many things planned in the beginning, by the master developer, but then at some point we didn't see much activity going on there. And within the recent years we see big developers with well-established names coming
let
there.
Me explain you what is famous about Motor City. It's that we have like a lot of retail schools. We have the Autodrome actually, which is attracting all the tourists.
I was going to the gym there, gymnasium.
And of course we have a beautiful area, we have greenery also. So this is very appealing for the future investors and for the high ROIs.
It's very family oriented, I would say, because the old projects, at least, they have very big layouts, old style buildings.
You are right, Eva, exactly.
Many European people, they prefer this kind of layouts. Arabs also, like certain nationalities, they love very large, spacious apartments. As well as what I personally love about Motor City, and I believe I'm not the only one about this, is that if you compare it to the neighbor communities, JVC, Sport City, Arjan, is way more established and way more organized in terms of infrastructure. It has a logic, It
has a logic, and this is like, a city in a city.
Exactly. So you have this kind of, I call it Rodeo Drive. I don't know what you name it. It's like a boulevard, with all this retail.
And I don't know if you noticed, there are some quarters of Motor City. They are really quite like European kind of landscapes. Mm-hmm. If you notice when you go take a walk through the area of Motor City.
It's very nice, really. It's lively at the same time, and it's quiet, So it has a mix of good.
So that's why it's very appealing also for the families. So it's more family oriented, and of course there are lots of projects like big developers like Ellington, Shoba
is there,
implemented also. But of course we are the one who are working our return of investments, the capital appreciations, in no matter which area we are going, we are having great ROI.
So since we started speaking about the location, was it strategic? Because I know that your first project was delivered back then in JVC, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, exactly.
JVC. Did you choose this area with a certain strategy in mind? Like, what was the behind this choice?
I would say that JVC it's a very good area connected to downtown, also to Marina, and then of course we have a very nice infrastructure also in JVC, and a lot of developers have seen this like a potential opportunity for business. So
this is what I wanted to say, because I think the main idea was, first of all, the plots are very affordable in comparison to other areas.
Exactly.
Number one. Number two, it already had its established location.
Exactly.
You know, it's been like 20 years. It's 15 or 20 years old. I'm not quite sure. We need to check that later. It's quite old, and of course, it's one of the most popular locations among tenants and property buyers as well. Though. Not. We need to mention that it's one of the most competitive areas in Dubai. In fact, it's top one, I believe, right now in terms of upcoming supply. So for you as a new developer, I believe this were one of the key factors why you went to this area. So you wanted to establish the name in the location that was low risk, that was understood, well established, all the numbers were there.
Yes.
So you could do your research, right?
Exactly. Our strategy, it's based on the fact that we are delivering like boutique projects, right? We are not focusing on industry projects like with unlimited numbers of
quantity over quality.
Exactly. We are more in quality than in quantity. So maybe that's why we wanted to show also that in JVC we can excel also.
Exactly. So you wanted to establish your reputation, your name by delivering, let's say in the mass market area, delivering a very boutique, high quality, well-designed project to win over the trust.
Because you don't have to forget that we are competing with Bugatti, who are really like more focused on, let's say, unlimited quantities.
Yeah, exactly. Coming back to the apartment, tell me what you provide with the apartment. Is the furniture included? Is it just the kitchen, appliances?
So as you can see, it's semi-furnished apartments. So we will provide all the necessary just for the owner to install very quick. So everything here, it will be provided, all the arrangements, dish machine, washing machine.
You have European brands, right?
Yes, we have European brands. This is porcelain, aus Italy. We have brands from Germany, Azteca. It's a very good brand.
Azteca kitchen appliances.
Exactly.
So this is the layout for one-bedroom apartment. You have kitchen islands, but this is specifically for this particular project, right?
Exactly.
Let's show around. So this is the living area. So what you provide, it's not going to be furnished, correct? So
it's not
the kitchen
going
island
to be
will
furnished.
Be there.
It will be like, since here you will have all white walls. Okay. By the way, the chandelier, it will be delivered also, and all those spotlights.
So kitchen will be fully equipped. The chandelier. The rest of the fixtures will not be here.
No.
However, this gives you an opportunity to imagine, to visualize.
To visualize. Exactly.
This is very important. I wanted to highlight a very important thing, because many people think, because somehow I relate you to Imtiaz. I always compare you to Imtiaz because it's very similar concept.
Yes.
And in terms of finishing, you can also see some similarities, let's say. But Imtiaz provides fully furnished apartments, while you guys provided unfurnished. And many investors... Semi-furnished. Well, let's call it there. Many investors think that it is an advantage to get fully furnished apartments and with everything included. I personally think, and this is what it's based on my experience working with investors and preparing the properties to rent out, whether it's short-term or long-term. Before, the trend was that people used to rent apartments completely empty. Within the past years, maybe 5 years after COVID, is the opposite trend. So we see a lot of people came to renovate the properties, this type of investors, flippers also. And we see like this market is becoming super competitive, rental market as well, especially in the mass market locations. So I believe to be able to differentiate your property, furniture is one of those things, right?
Exactly. I would say that, in France, we have a saying, des goûts et des couleurs, on n'en parle pas. It means that everyone has its own taste. And today, to be honest, it's very easy to provide this kind of furniture.
You can do it yourself. You can use a company.
Exactly.
Will do everything. Turn off a key for you.
Field.
I want us to continue to the bedroom, and I want to show the bathroom in this project because this is my favorite part.
Exactly. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, what is the particularity for Iman? It's that we have access to the terrace from the both sides. So you have access from here and from the living room, and the sun will come through.
A lot of natural light inside.
Exactly. So this is the bathroom.
Yes. So what I love about this bathroom specifically that you have this mirror in the middle and the sink in the middle, and it's separate. So usually you have your shower on the left, which is two types of shower, the standing one and the rain shower, plus the shelves where you can put your toiletries are already there built in, and you have your toilet here. And the drawer for your bathrobes, your towels, and so on.
Exactly. So this is why we are really differentiate from other developers that I will not name.
What about the
spaces?
The sizes, the average size of your one-bedroom apartment, let's say?
So sizes are usually more than normal. Like we can start with 770 square feet, and it can goes up.
Because the new norm is like 500 to 650, right? Square feet. This is what we see a lot on the market in the past years.
We are providing very nice layouts, actually.
So basically, it's end user. Let's say it's end user oriented.
Yes, this is our, our goal, to make the investor happy, but also to provide the quality to the end user.
Diana, no questions about design. It's amazing. But many buyers are worried, and I'm one of those people who bought an apartment, and the building looked very nice from outside. The common areas had no questions. I love the finishing inside the apartment. However, once you start living inside, you can hear the noise, the walls are thin. You can hear, like my neighbors are taking shower, for example, I can hear the water running and so on. There is no proper insulation. You can hear the noise of the construction behind the window outside. So how do you make sure that it's not only nice design, but it's also good quality of construction?
Yes, indeed. So you are right. In Dubai market today, we have a lot of upcoming developers that
new developers,
exactly. And not everyone is focusing on quality. Not everyone has certification.
You got an award. Sorry to interrupt you. I think. Because I forgot to mention, you got an award for quality, as far as I know.
Yeah, of course, we are certified for our quality, for our way of building, and our.
Do you have contractors in house, or you hire someone from outside, like third-party contractors?
We are having third-party constructors, but we are managing. Our teams are managing from
quality control,
internal quality control.
So it's a hybrid model that most of the developers in Dubai use, I believe.
Exactly.
Even big developers, for example, Emaar and so on, they hire third-party contractors, but they monitor. They supervise the
consistency. For sure, it's not so easy sometimes, and we, in spite of all this, we are still delivering on time. We have a fast delivery for our projects. So.
I know that I was going to ask about this. Yeah, I know that you even got an award for fast delivery, and what I saw from your project's timeline, from the project launch to deliver a date, it takes roughly 1.5 years. Some projects you delivered even in 1 year. How do you achieve this?
Yes, exactly. As I told you, we are focused on low or medium buildings, which it takes less time. In the same time, we are supervising the quality, so we are trying to combine.
I believe also the trick might be, because the most important, the most difficult and the most time-consuming part of the construction is the shoring and piling.
Yes.
And probably you launch your buildings after already a certain construction percentage is complete. Probably that's the trick. That's
So, of course, and also we are, after the launch, we are going very fast. And what is very interesting is that we are having this payments plan adapted to the
construction.
Yes. Mm-hmm. To the construction. It means if the constructions are not going fast, then the payment plan it will go slower.
Definitely.
Also.
But if you manage to deliver a bit ahead of time, they have to pay ahead of time as well.
So it's discussable. Okay. I mean, it's
you guys are flexible.
We are flexible in a positive way because, of course, it's very nice to receive your apartment sooner. As
I understood that it's definitely one of the best choices for end users. But let's speak about investors, because you have a lot of investors.
Yes.
I'm not sure about the ratio, like is it 50-50, is it 80-20? Maybe you know the numbers better.
So we have a lot of investors due to the fact that we got a reputation of delivering units that are having a high demand on the market. So wherever you go in which
rental-wise or resale-wise?
Rental-wise, resale-wise, flipping, everything.
I heard the latest case was somebody was about to sign the Form F, and it was like something around 1.5 million for a one-bedroom apartment.
Yes, it can go very quick up.
Which is for JVC area. Was it JVC?
JVC, yes.
It's incredible.
And still JVC, it's not the highest.
It's not the highest case. Right?
No, it's not the highest case. But of course, JVC. It's right now we have delivered many projects in JVC, and we are very famous, exactly as you said, for rental, high ROI, and capital appreciation.
Exactly. How many projects you've already delivered?
We delivered almost 9 projects, so we are about to deliver very soon 10 projects, and still we have this
in
year
the pipeline.
In the pipeline, yes, a certain number, yes.
Okay, guys, if you want to know more information about the current existing projects, the inventory, and also about some upcoming projects, because I was going to ask you about your future plans.
This I cannot disclose for
I
now.
expected that. So yeah, but at least give us a hint. Is it going to be? Oh, you're not allowed to speak about the locations as well.
Guys, what I can tell is just stay tuned with Eva.
Okay. I know that it's going to be in this time. It's going to be area which is a different type of area, a different caliber of area, right?
Yes.
It's not going to be. You're moving away from secondary location, and it's going to be very interesting areas.
Very interesting areas. Yes. I confirm what she's saying.
So, guys, if you want to
cannot reveal for now.
Right, guys, if you want to know more about the upcoming projects as well, you can book a free consultancy call with me. You will find my details down this video in the description box. So let's talk. So coming back to the locations, your projects are located mostly in we spoke about secondary areas, Arjan, JVC, Motor City. But you have one project which is currently still under construction.
Absolutely, yes.
Which is in Dubai Hills. It's one of the most popular residential locations, I believe, nowadays in Dubai, which is still growing, but it's quite established at the same time.
Yes.
I believe you moved your focus from, I would call it a premium area, or maybe it's in between, somewhere in between.
See, Dubai Hills, it's a very good area, and high.
It's a community, what I call it. It's a proper community.
And it's dominated by Emaar, as we know.
Exactly. So not many people actually know that in Dubai Hills you will find not only Emaar buildings, but some of the plots that were sold to private developers. So we can find the Ellington building here. There are some other private developers, and you guys have a building here as well.
Yes.
What makes you stand out? Because what I can say about Emaar buildings, I recently just finished handover, and my previous video was about it. Guys, you can find it by the link here. They have quite an average quality. The community is amazing, by the way.
The community is amazing.
But what makes you stand out?
Actually, it's thank you to coming to this point, actually, because, you know, Emaar, of course, they are dominating the area, but still we are having this beautiful project which is called The Grove, and we are differentiating from Emaar with the amenities and the amenities and also the design.
Tell me more about the amenities, because this is very interesting part as well.
So to be honest, amenities are our predilection area. You know, we love to deliver a lot of amenities. For example, in Motor City, in the last project that we have launched, named Sierra, we have 17.
Is the one we are now? Yeah, the show apartment.
Yes, exactly. This is the show apartment. So we have 75,000 square feet of amenities.
Do you have a mock-up? Can we show the mock-up? So let's go have a look.
Let's go have a look.
It's a huge podium.
Based in Motor City, yes. It's a huge podium, and on the podium we have 75 square feet of amenities.
So this you have retails also on
We
the
have retails,
front floor.
of course, clubhouse. There is like parking basement, right?
I really love the idea of the clubhouses.
Yes.
Mini boutique developments, you can find these kind of things. So you can book the area, right? If you have party, if you have...
Of course, this is the idea.
You have also quite a long swimming pool, right?
Yes, so we have swimming pool, we have sports.
It's a Zen garden kind of thing, or like a water feature.
Zen garden. We have amenities even in the middle of the building, as you can see here. So
the jacuzzi there, right?
Jacuzzi, exactly. Chill area, barbecue area. We have kids play area, outdoor cinema. We have all these amazing water features. So this is
basketball court, tennis court,
exactly.
Outdoor gym, and inside you also have a fitness center.
Actually, we have a reputation for this, for delivering so many amenities that we got rewarded.
Also you have reward for this. Amazing.
Yes. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.
So this building is handed over. People have moved in.
Exactly. This is handed over. Take a look at this luxury spacious
It's like triple high ceiling.
Yes, triple high ceiling. Look at the chandelier, how beautiful it looks. And look at the amazing spaces that have been decorated thoughtfully, designed thoughtfully. So everything with a touch of luxury.
Like a working station and a sitting area, right?
Yes, exactly.
You can sit here with your laptop.
You can sit here with your laptop. You can wait on this waiting area also. So this is also designed like a huge library.
Okay. Can we see the amenities?
We can see the amenities. I will show you.
Oh, it's so cute! Oh my God, it's like a doll's house.
Yes. We have the gym. It's spacious, big, with all those comfortable beds.
The waterfall, is it working?
It's not working right now. It's programmed to work every hour, actually.
Every now and then?
Yes.
And this is the second pool, so it's like a plunge pool?
It's like a plunge pool, exactly. And the kids
And this
pool
is around 15 minutes, I believe, not less, right?
Yeah. Wow. This is a relaxing chill area.
Mm-hmm. And we have a basketball court here.
Yeah, basketball court there.
An observation deck over there, right?
Sports court, everything for your fitness.
And also, this is the first level of amenities, and also you have something on the rooftop, right?
So we can go to the rooftop, exactly, and I will show you the rest of the amenities.
Let's go. So we are now in the rooftop, and you have another pool here.
Yes, exactly. So this is the infinity.
This is a shallow pool,
shallow
it's like a plunge
exactly,
pool.
Yes.
And there's jacuzzi over there.
Jacuzzi and this beautiful skyline from far.
There is barbecue area. Look at that view.
So you can see that we are really in an area where other developers implemented.
This is also a private developer, yeah?
This is also a private developer, but they are less high standard, let's say like that, and they have less amenities,
They're very
less
standard.
voluminous, spacious, and of course they are not so famous for the ROI or the capital appreciations, because this is what it brings added value to our project.
Well, I love what I see. Yes. I hope you guys do. Diana, what are you going to show us now?
So I will show you the signature project of Iman. This is called 15 Cascades.
This is Versace branded, isn't it?
Yes, it's Versace branded, exactly. As you can see on the floor, we have the Versace tiles. Very nice, sophisticated quality, and still like very modest. And this is the show apartment of 15 Cascades. We don't have much inventory left. We still have 3 units. If you are interested, just please be quick to grab one of them.
I think this is the apartment where I saw the bathroom, right?
Yes, let's come to the bathroom.
Guys, let me show you the bathroom, because I haven't seen this in the latest developments anywhere. So there is a standing shower as well as the bathtub, because usually bathtub the developers provide only in 2-bedroom apartments, right, in the master bedroom. But this is what it's really about. And also you have 2 sinks in the bathroom. So if you live with your partner or your husband or your wife, you will not fight who will be the first one to occupy the bathroom. This was a quick introduction to IMAN Developers, how they approach the business from the construction quality to the long-term planning. If you're interested to get to know more about their project, contact me. I will leave my contact details down this video. And let's shoot the unit based on your strategy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.